Hi, I'm Maria and I became a consultant with ColorStreet, and this is my unboxing of my new starter kit. I got the basic kit, so I'm going to go ahead and open it now and share with you everything that I have in here. I am so excited about it that I've been waiting for the shipment for the last 3 days. I've been driving my husband crazy. So, with further ado, I'm going to go ahead and cut it open. He always says to cut away, so let me go ahead and cut away, because I always cut cords. It's not good. And then, let's see. We may have to speed this up. All right. It is open. Oh my God, this is so exciting. All right, so I have the, what's this one called? Amazonia. Oh my God, this is so cool. And I also got a full set of Mendy Magic. I like the pattern. I have to try it out. This is so exciting. And then I also got the French manicure. I love my Frenchies. Right now it's like totally torn because I've been so nervous and I've been picking at them, which you should never do. But I'm so excited to try all this stuff. And then I have samplers too. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. Wow, there's a lot of samples. Okay, so, wow. All right, so then I have, wow, more nail strips. So this is about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 full strips come with the starter kit and a whole bunch of little samples. They also have the little French tips too. This is great. It also comes with nail files, very handy. And then we also have ColorStreet, so it's like what you need, like a 4-in-1 tool to do your manicures. And then, oh, this is so cute. So I have a sheet from Bob Park. It's spelled F-A and then Park. And the ColorStreet team, it says, "Welcome to the road of a lifetime. You made a great decision to join us on this adventure into the world of ColorStreet. Be colorful, hashtag be brilliant, and hashtag be ColorStreet." So that's actually cool, and it has a little bit more information. Then it has an application on how to apply the nail strips, and this is what got me to sign up with ColorStreet. Is just so easy, and basically it's nail polish. 95% of this is dry nail polish. You apply it, and once you apply it, it stays on about good 7 to 10 days. And if you want to take it off, you just use nail polish remover. So if you miss that nail appointment or you're just having that hectic day, this is a great alternative to go ahead and pamper yourself. They also have hostess benefits, and it talks about the leadership and how you can build your team, which I'm hoping to do that. You also have the goals and returns of selling the product. It's great. And, ooh, how cute. This is like a ColorStreet bag to carry all your supplies in. This is so nice. Okay. And then little sample nail files. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Look how cute that is. I always like tiny things. They're so adorable. And then you also have nail polish remover pads and more of that. It comes 20 pads each, okay? And then you also have more little mini nail files. That's so exciting. And 100 pads of individually packed nail preps. So basically you would use this first once you're to take off the nail polish. And then you would do the nail strip and you're all set. And it also has a road to success, basically a how to build your business, which is really cool. It has a startup checklist. How to book your first launch party. That's awesome. So that's good to have. Then it has like a little brochure of all the nail things that they offer. Nail polish. Let's see. Oh, cool. So this is the on model. It's early bloom, so I guess this is the spring collection. So basically it has a breakdown of their solids, their glitter, and glitter design, nail art design, and Frenchies. I have to say the price tag on these are great for what you're getting. It's awesome. And then on the back, I guess you can hand these out to your folks as good sell items. And then the most important are sell tickets for your parties. So I'm really excited to start my business. I'm gonna have my link and information for you guys if you are interested in getting the samples so you can try it out for yourself and see how amazing this product is. We'll have a Google Sheet link and you just put your information in there, and then once I get that info, all that I ask you to do is once you receive it, try it on your nails and then post it on my Facebook page, Maria's Manis, and you're going to absolutely love it. Thank you so much and have a great day.